Hafeziyeh, also known as the Tomb of Hafez, is a memorial complex and tomb located in Shiraz in Iran, dedicated to the renowned Persian poet Hafez. The site includes the mausoleum of Hafez, a beautiful garden, and a pavilion where visitors can pay their respects and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The tomb is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, especially for Iranians who have a deep appreciation for Hafez's poetry and cultural significance. The Hafeziyeh is not only a place of remembrance but also a symbol of the rich literary heritage of Iran. Hafez, also known as Khaja Shamseddin Muhammad Hafez Shirazi, was a 14th century Persian poet from Shiraz in Iran. He is one of the most celebrated Persian poets, and his work is widely read and recited in Iran and other Persian-speaking countries. Hafez's poetry, known for its beauty, depth, and mysticism, often explores themes of love, spirituality, and the complexities of human existence. His collection of poems, known as the Divan of Hafez, is considered a pinnacle of Persian literature and has been translated into many languages. Hafez's tomb in Shiraz is a popular destination for visitors and is a symbol of Iranian cultural heritage. به مژگان سیه کردی هزاران رخنه در دینم، بیا که از چشم بیمارت هزاران درد برچینم. الا ای همنشین دل که یارانت برفت از یاد، مرا روزی مباد آن دم که بی یاد تو بنشینم.
اگر آن ترک شیرازی به دست آرد دل ما را، به خال هندویش بخشم سمرقند و بخارا را. بده ساقی می باقی که در جنت نخواهی یافت، کنار آب رکناباد و گلگشته مصلا را. فغان که این لولیان شوخ شیرین کار شهرآشوب، چنان بردند صبر از دل که ترکان خانه یغما را. ز عشق ناتمام ما جمال یار مستغناست، به آب و رنگ و خال و خط چه حاجت روی زیبا را. من از آن حسن روزافزون که یوسف داشت دانستم، که عشق از پرده عصمت برون آرد زلیخا را. اگر دشنام فرمایی و گر نفرین دعا گویم، جواب تلخ میزیبد لب لعل شکرخا را. نصیحت گوش کن جانا که از جان دوستر دارند، جوانان سعادتمند پند پیر دانا را. حدیث از مطرب و میگو و راز دهر کمتر جو، که گس نگشود و نگشاید به حکمت این معما را. غزل گفتی و در صفتی، بیا و خوش بخوان حافظ، که بر نظم تو افشاند فلک عقد ثریا را. We thought it would be a good idea to read some of Hafez's poets in his graveyard. Hope you enjoyed watching us reading his poets, and share your thoughts on the comments below. These are some postcards which belongs to Qajar dynasty, and I think the pictures on it are the kings of that time. When you enter this room, you can see these paintings and the lights. And after staying for 20 seconds, the lights get off, and you can see the beauty of these paintings in the darkness.